Enjoy, find time for kindness, and use plastic responsibly.
Hey there, I'm Jonah Rose, and welcome to my Just Tap Print series. Every week, I embark on a creative journey diving into AnkerMake's Explore section to bring something new and exciting to life. The process, super simple. Find that perfect file, tap print, watch the magic happen, and voila, a creation ready to be admired. Whether you're a 3D printing enthusiast or just here for the ride, I invite you to join me. Let's explore together, find inspiration, and let our imaginations run wild. So come along and let's make something amazing. Ready? Let's dive in. Today we're delving deep into the world of 3D printing, where we're creating extendable weapon props inspired by timeless designs. To start, grab your STL files and set the print in motion. We've got a baton made of matte white PLA and a katana crafted in stunning gradient blue PETG. Traditional katanas were forged with tamahagane steel, a unique and revered Japanese craft that results in exceptionally sharp and durable blades. While our 3D print may not be tamahagane, they sure have their charm. Watch as they extend upward, perfect for display, cosplay, or even a bit of fidgeting. And speaking of our katana, did you know PETG, aside from its stunning finish, is also known for its durability and resistance to UV light? Your props stay vibrant and strong. Remember, even though these are just props, they should be handled with care and responsibility. Safety first. Curious about what's next? How about a prop tomahawk axe, one that's collapsible? If you'd like to see that, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned, stay creative, and always stay safe.